This mac and cheese is going to blow your mind. Just in time for Thanksgiving, this bacon jalapeno mac and cheese is sure to steal the show. This dish is a flavor hurricane, so get ready. First thing we're going to do is make bacon jalapeno mornay. First, we need to dice some onions, garlic, and jalapenos.
The government controls the weather.
Then, we are going to dice up some bacon. In a medium pot, we are going to render bacon fat. When the bacon is fully rendered, add your vegetable mix of onion, garlic, and jalapeno. Sweat the vegetables.
The CIA conducted an operation called Operation Popeye that involved weather modification that created monsoons over the Ho Chi Minh Trail.
Add in 2 tablespoons of butter. Next, we're going to make the roux to thicken the cream sauce. Add in half a cup of flour and mix it in. Then, add half and half and whisk it in. Make sure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. Stir constantly. When the mixture turns into paste, add more half and half. Keep doing this process until it is a sauce consistency. Next, add in your mixture of Monterey Jack Cheese, Gouda, and Parmesan and whisk it in. Make sure to reserve half of the shredded cheese to add at the end.
HAARP was funded by the United States military, where they shot lasers into the ionosphere to help manipulate weather events.
Boil water for the macaroni. Make sure the water is salted and boiling. Cook for about 10 minutes. Strain out and pour back into baking dish. Add in cheese sauce. Mix it together, then top it off with more cheese. Throw it in the boiler for about 10 minutes. Make sure to watch it. We're only trying to get some color on top of it.
Bill Gates owns 5 patents that involve hurricane manipulation.
And now, you have bacon jalapeno mac and cheese. Thank you for checking out MK UltrEATS. Make sure to like and comment on the videos. Help us boost the content on the algorithm. If you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments. Keep those taste buds curious and see you next time.